Hi everyone, in this video we're gonna introduce how to use the management platform to create a new patient and also updating the patient information, caregiver information, daily care information, and also managing your EPD devices. Here you can see right now we have two web access service platform. This one is for create new patient and also setting for the EPD device. The second one is to managing your EPD devices. In the future, we'll combine these two platforms together. So let's start from beginning. Okay, we will provide the trial ID and password to you. When you log in, here are those functions. The first one is create new patient, managing your patient. And right here, IPD is to managing those patients and also binding to the bed number, room number, and also this EPD device. The handover is allow you to leave the message. However, this function is connecting to the nursing station dashboard, so those information will not show at the EPD. The last one is account management. Let's try to start, create a new patient. Here is the plus. Okay, so let's try. Today, 22, 22, 10, 14, let's try A2. The patient identification, maybe the ID numbers, so let's try F. The owner name. The phone number. The patient name. The country. The care nurse. The gender. And the date of birth. And the weight. Actually, this information will connecting to the dashboard, so also will not show at the management at the EPD. And the caregiver and the reason the patient is to the hospital. And diagnosis. Okay, in the future, of course, we will provide the API. So all the patient information, caregiver information can connecting from the EMR or his system directly. And here we provide this platform, allow user, the caregiver team, they can use it offline, not connecting to the EMR system. Just save it so you can see it successfully. Okay, let's go to the inpatient. At this device, we already said it's for bed number 04806A. So we can click right here and choose the medical numbers we just create, which is the 20201040A2. So you can see it will jump out all information directly. And here is a special note. So you can click the checkbox and it will show at EPD for the special note icon, and it support up to 4 special note. Let's just try those 3 and save it, so it can see it's update correctly. Okay, so it's basically we already create a new patient and also binding to the bed numbers. Okay, so here let's setting for the EPD. Again, the ID and the password. After we log in, so you can see the bed number, room number 408468 is already right here. Let's just set it up. So you can see at the same time the EPD already updating for the new data. Jason Bourne and the doctor is Ricky, and the nurse is Alice. Okay, so here we can choose the bed number, room number, and here is type of treatment. You can choose it, and also it's for maybe speaking Italian, okay. And here is setting for the daily treatment process. For example, at this moment, maybe he is at the blood testing, blood sampling, so you will just choose it and save it. So later you will see at the EPD, we are updating for the daily treatment status. And at the EPD, they also have the area is showing for the QR code. And it's also allow you can update the QR code pictures. For example, right now, we are connecting to the company website. In the future, maybe you can set up for the connecting information, something like that. Okay, there are several other functions. Right here, you can see all the EPD devices connecting online or offline. For this case, we use 408, 468. So you can see it's already online. Okay, here also can check, double check for the MAC address. Okay, and here you can also create to managing your daily care process flow. For example, like this one, okay, it can support up to 6 procedures. Okay, you can give the title, description, and add more, up to 6. However, due to the format limit, you will only show 3 of them. For example, right now, you only show 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is right here. If the status is already to 3, so you will choose 3, 4, 5. Okay, and those are the basic information. The ID managing, again, you can leave the message, but it's connecting to the nursing station dashboard. Okay, and here is the log files for the EPD. Because we have 4 physical buttons and also card readers. In the officially launched version, we will support for this function. After you press this button or you scan your NFC card, so you will collect all the log file right here. So you can export as a CSV file to do the further analysis. Okay, so that's a basic information for iMac 10 EPD devices and also management platform introduced.